Hello and welcome to Wheelchair Vans Inc. Today I'll be going over a 2016 Dodge Grand Caravan equipped with a BraunAbility side entry manual ramp. Let's go ahead and bring down the ramp. You will first open up the door. You can then use this to pull the ramp out. So this ramp here is going to be 30 inches wide. Entrance height from the floor to the top of the door is going to be 57 inches. In the middle, you will have the wheelchair user. Going on to the back, you will have a bench seat that will fit 3 people. And in the front, you will have driver and passenger front removable seats. And here is the view of the front. Let's go ahead and bring in the ramp. You can lift it up like so, and then close the door. Let's go ahead and check out the rear hatch. So back here you will have room for some storage, and as you guys can see, we provide everyone with a set of manual straps. We also offer financing on all types of credit. We can do personal or business loans. On top of that, we do have a promotion for free nationwide shipping, but if you decide to pick up at our location, we can offer you $1,000 off or a free 1-year warranty. For more information, please visit our website, 949vans.com. Let's go ahead and start up the van. So this van here has 93,000 miles. You will also have a backup camera. Here is the view of the front. Here is the view of the back. Let's go ahead and listen to the engine.